lost. It's only 30 minutes left, so not too worried about it. Anyway, I think I fixed it, so if I click this, it'll go over to the resource node, and then eventually what it should do is in 2 seconds, it will head towards, yep, there we go. And we got the adding 25 materials. That's cool. Now you see we have a little harvest AI. And of course, it doesn't face its target for some reason. Oh, because we, what's it called? In here, we never had it face its target. So I think we need to do transform.look at, then it needs to be, I think it looks at a world position. Yeah, it's new vector3 target.position, or no? Yes, it should be target. Oh no, sorry. It needs to look at the move target. That's what it needs to look at. Okay. So now, what we do, click this, and we click the ship, and then we go over here, we right click on our resource node, it will go over, it'll grab the resources, and then it'll bring it back to its home world. So you see, and you see we got the adding 25 materials thing. And so you see now it's going to go over, it's going to grab, yeah, it's going to return home, it's going to get its resources, and then it's going to come back. Now it needs to reduce the amount in the asteroid, and it also needs to update up here. We can do that pretty easily. So in the game manager component, what we can do is we can just have some things for, I guess, the resources, some variables for it. I wonder if I want to put this in a structure or something. I probably do, right? Like the level information. Let's do that. Let's create a folder here and call it scriptable objects. Then we'll go in here. Sure, move all of them, I don't care. Then in here we'll have a new item. Sure, it can be a mono behavior, but it actually won't. This will be the level information. And we're not going to have a mono behavior here because we don't need to. And what we will do is we'll have a public int materials, have a public int technology. We'll have a get, and we have a set for it. We'll have a get, and then a protected set. Yep. And that doesn't go there. Same thing here. This will be a get protected set. Have a public void add resources. This will be the resource definition. This will be resource. This will be the int amount. And then what we can do is we can say if resource is equal to game constants.instance dot resource materials, then we'll say materials. That's not how you spell materials. Say materials plus equal to amount. And then otherwise, if resource is game constants.instance.res technology, then we can say technology plus equal to amount. And what we want to say is in the game manager, we want to get rid of this. And in here, we want to say the HUD manager component. We're going to say set materials. Ooh, we don't like that because this is, oh, we can't do that from here though. Oh, that's not good. Actually, yes, we can. We can do game manager. Yeah, game manager. We can use the game manager. Can we use the game manager like this? Sure. Wait, you don't like that? Why? Find object of type. Oh, do I not? Do I just need to do using Unity Engine? Unity Engine? Then can we do this? Is that not static? Am I wrong? I thought that was static. Hang on. Let's try this. Find object of type. This is in object. Where do you come from? You are a static. So why can we not reference you? You're technically not object, but we just need to do object. I'll find object of type, right? Yeah, okay, there we go. So you are a static, that's what I thought. So do HUD.setMaterials, and this will be the materials. Then we do HUD.setTechnology, and this will be technology. There we go. So in the game manager component, we're going to have a public level information. So this will be the information local to the current level. And then in start, we'll say level information is new level information. And then we will say level information dot add resources. Actually, we don't even need to do that. We can just reference it statically. Say level information dot add resources. We will add game manager or game constants dot dot instance dot res materials. So we'll add 250. We'll say you start with 250 materials, and then level information dot add resources game constants dot instance dot resource technology. We'll add this to, we'll add 50 technology at the beginning. Okay, so now we're managing all of that in level information. And then the, what is it? Is it the ship component, or is it, no, it's the ship AI component, right? That needs to call GameManager.instance. This needs to be .level information, .add resources. We will say it needs to be the resource node. It needs to be a resource node dot amount, or no, not amount, dot resource, wait, what? A definition dot resource? Yeah, definition dot resource. Okay. Really, we want to actually cache this because we might destroy the resource node by harvesting it. So what we probably want to do is we probably want to say protected resource definition carrying resource. So in the node.harvest, we will say the carrying resource is equal to resource node dot definition dot resource. And then whenever we return home, or sorry, here we want to say resource, or not resource node, but carrying resource. So this will be whatever resource we're carrying. So now we won't get the debug message anymore, but the updates will just happen. So now, if I do this, we can click this. Whoop. Oh, something's broken. What's broken? The definition dot fleet limit. What did I break? Oh no. Oh no, did I break what I think I broke? No. You are broken. Why are you broken? Oh, you can't find these any? Oh god. What? Oh no. Okay, that worked. Oh, come on. Okay, so that's fine. Alright, so that broke. Did you two break? Yeah, you broke. Alright. Because we moved all of these, they actually broke. I didn't know that would happen. Honestly. This is the resource node definition, but that maintained itself. This didn't though. Ah, right, okay. So, oh no, we have to go relink everything, don't we? Oh god. Alright. That was dumb. I shouldn't have done that. Alright. The ships, yeah. Ship definition. Come on, I know you can do it. Cool. Whoa. Uh-oh. Something just really broke. Oh god. Oh god. Wow, that broke like everything. Uh-oh. Alright, let's just delete that. Yeah. And then create a new, oh god, we just broke everything. Oh boy. Hope they didn't break too much. I hope they didn't erase the ship AI stuff. Say range of 50, and then the damage is 25. And the hull, I don't know, will be 125. That's probably fine. And the planets, all of them, yeah, missing ship definition, that's fine. We can fix that there. Okay. You, I don't think you need a ship definition. Solar object, whatever, planets. Okay, those have been fixed, and now we have resources. All right, this is the resource definition, then resource definite. Nope, I don't care. This is the resource definition. Okay. Wait, what? You didn't save those? Why? All right, that's not cool. Materials. And then the materials definition is that, and then the technology definition. So technology. The technology definition is there. Okay. And stats. Oh, all of these are broken. Of course, they're all broken. All right. Oh my god, are they really all broken? Oh, come on. Why? Alright, hull. That, and then we'll have the range. Okay. It'll be that. And then we will have the speed. And that will be that. Okay. That might be everything. That might have fixed everything. Okay. That can at least load. That broke. Alright. So is that because the planets here? Nope, those are fine. Oh, it's because you don't have definitions? No, you do. Prefab ship has not been assigned. Ah, okay, so the basic ship here, the prefab hasn't been assigned, which is the spaceship prefab. Okay. Gotcha. Okay, that, and now we can spawn a ship. Awesome. Okay. Can we inspect these? We can. Okay, cool. Now, if we do this, it should go and, oh, something broke. Okay. Why did that? I'm not sure why the initial resources there are broken. What is this? What is this here? Why is that broken? Okay. Game manager component, so we should be adding 50 resources or 25 to that. Technology set, there we go. Set technology. Because I had mistyped something. Okay. So now, right. So now we have 250 materials, 50 technology. And so now if we harvest from the materials asteroids, we should get materials. If we harvest from the tech scrap, we should get tech. So if we harvest from there, we should get some stuff. Yep. Can select you. Now we get 25 materials, but if I change you to harvest there, okay. And now you are going to fly through the sun, which is always safe, and we get some materials, or we get some tech. Okay. So the next thing we need to do is in the resource node itself, we need to, what is it? We need to basically have a harvest thing, like a harvest kind of what's it called? A harvest method. God, my brain is not working today. Int amount, starting to go away. Okay. So the current amount is minus equal to what we just harvested. So what we say is if amount, I guess we'll return the amount that was harvested. So we'll say if amount less than 0, less than or equal 0, then we return amount minus, right, we can't do that. Okay. What we'll say is if amount less than or equal to amount, then we return the amount, no, var harvested equals amount minus amount. No. It would be amount minus amount, that. So let's say we're trying to harvest 100 and no, that's not even right either. Crap. Return the minimum of amount and amount, whichever one is smaller. So in case where they're equal, it'll return an amount, it'll return them the same. Yeah, so if we tried to harvest, so say we tried to harvest 100 and we only have 10, we'll return the 10 basically. So if that's true, I guess less than or equal to, that's fine. So basically, if we don't have enough left, then we destroy ourselves. And then what we do is we return the harvested. Otherwise, we return, or otherwise, amount minus equal to amount, and we return amount. There we go. So now we should end up destroying ourselves if it gets harvested. So now, what we should do is here we should run harvest. Should say resource node.harvest resource. Or sorry, .harvest say 25. And then we will have a protected int carrying resource amount. We're going to set the carrying resource amount to this. And yeah, we'll say if resource node, basically if not resource node, or no, not here. If here, say if not resource node, then stop. Or actually, yeah, in the move to node phase, if there's no resource node, then we just stop. But yeah, and this should be the carrying resource amount. Okay. Carrying resource amount. So now we're reducing the amount in the resource node, and we are storing it in the ship, and then we are reducing it and all that stuff. Basically, if we set the asteroids to say, or no, it's not the, oh no, here, it's the initial amount in here. So we set the initial amount to 27, and, or no, we'll say 30. We set the amount to 30 there, and say we set the amount to 30 here. So that'll take 2 harvesting trips for each one. So now what we do is we look in here. We see we have 30, so we should end up with 280. Should end up with 280 materials and 280 tech. Or sorry, 80 tech. Yeah. So we do the harvest. You can see we only have 5 left. Now it goes there. It should harvest it, and then it should return. Then once it gets back to the planet, since there's no resource node, it'll stop. Now you see we have 280 tech. Also, there's a missing reference. Okay. So if we go here, we'll have to check out that missing reference in a minute. But if we go here, we will harvest 5 tech, we will get 25 tech, and then, yeah, the cycle repeats. Okay, so what broke here? So if not resource nodes, stop and return. That's what we do. That was the problem. Okay. So now, if we do that one more time, should go here. And now, do that. And of course this needs to be changed a little bit because actually at any point we could end up with a null sort of node. It could actually be null whenever we try to harvest it as well, if we have multiple harvesters. But yeah. So we got 280 materials, and now we're going to return home. Then we'll come back, and we'll harvest the rest, and then we'll return home. Yeah, I like that. And now he'll just sit tight. Yep. Okay. I don't know what I just saw there. I don't know why that went all weird. What on earth? Why is that enemy ship acting all weird? It should be in the 000. It should be in that range. Okay. Alright. Yeah, I think that's working pretty well, actually. Yeah, I am going to call that for now. Sorry, I'm going to call that done for now because my brain is kind of fried. I'm going to take a short break. Well, not a short break. I'm going to take an hour break, and we'll be back here at 2 o'clock Central for some Valheim. So yeah, be sure to join us for that, and thank you for sticking around. If you missed some of this, or if you want to see more game dev stuff, you can go to YouTube, Red Plus Blue. I have the VODs of this. You can also check the previous Twitch VODs if you want to see that. But yeah, thank you for hanging out, and I will see you guys in about an hour.